Hello, this is Neha. Today's chapter is Work and Energy from the class 9. Work done. What is the meaning of work done? Work done, W. The product of force and the distance moved by the object is called as the work done. Means when we apply the external force on an object, then the object will be changes its position. If the object changes its position due to the external force, then the object is said to be work done. Formula W is equal to F into S means work done is equal to force into distance. Distance moved by the object. The product of force and distance moved by the object is the work done. SI unit of work done is joule or Newton meter. It's a scalar quantity. Work done is a scalar quantity. Scalar means it has only a magnitude, not a direction. Next point, the work done on an object by a force would be zero if the displacement of the object is zero. Means when we apply the force, because of that force, the object will be changes its position. If the object changes its position or if the object takes displacement, that is known as the work done. If the object is in the same position, means when we apply the force, external force, then the object does not move from their position or the object position is not changed, then the work done is said to be zero. If the displacement of the object is zero, then the work done is also zero. Okay, clear? Work done means the product of force and distance moved by the object is called as the work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Work SI unit of work done is joule or Newton meter. Okay. Next, we move towards the 1 joule. 1 joule is equal to work done is said to be 1 joule when a force of 1 Newton is applied on an object, its displacement by 1 meter. Means when we apply the force on object, that force will be 1 Newton. Because of that external force, the object will be take the displacement by 1 meter. Then the work done is said to be 1 joule. Okay. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. We know that the formula W is equal to F into S. W means work done, F is equal to force, and S is equal to displacement by the object. Okay. Then the formula W is equal to F into S. But we already know that F is equal to ma. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. And again we know that A is equal to G means acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, F is equal to m into G. From the equation 1 and 2, we have the formula W is equal to mgs. Means instead of F, we can substitute m into G and S is same. Therefore, W is equal to m into G into H. We can read as W is equal to mgs. Again, we got the formula for work done. Work done is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity into displacement by the object. Next, we move towards the energy. What is energy? The capacity of doing work is called energy. Means we have to do any work. We need a capacity, stability, ability. That ability is known as the energy. The capacity of doing any work is called as the energy. Next point, energy is equal to work done. Means energy is nothing but a work done. Means when we apply the force, because of that force, the object changes its position. If the object changes its position, means the object has a capacity of doing work. That capacity of doing work is called as the energy. Therefore, energy is equal to work done. E is equal to W. E means energy, W is equal to work done. Okay. SI unit of energy is joule. There are two types of energies. Again, energy has a two types. First one is the kinetic energy. Second one is the potential energy. Now we move towards kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is simply known as the EK. Okay. What is the definition of kinetic energy? The energy possessed by the body or object due to its motion is called as the kinetic energy. Means the object gets the energy. The object gets the energy due to its motion. Means object is in the motion. The object is already in the motion, means the object is moving. That moving object has the energy. Where the object gets the energy? Object gets the energy due to its motion. That is called as the kinetic energy. The energy possessed by the object due to its motion is called as the kinetic energy. Formula Ek is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Simply we read as kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. M is equal to mass of the object. V is equal to velocity of the object, because the object gets energy due to motion. The object is in motion means automatically object has the velocity. Okay. Now we move towards mathematical expression for kinetic energy. Okay. We can derive the expression for the kinetic energy. Here object is there, the object of mass m, and initially it is at rest, that initial velocity is u. After that the object of mass m, it changes its position and it gets velocity, final velocity v. Means at the a position the object is at the initial velocity u, and at the b position the object is at the final velocity v. The difference between the a and b is yes, this is the displacement of the object. Means the object of mass m at the point a, it is at initial velocity u, means at rest. After that, when we use the external force, then the object changes its position with the velocity, final velocity v. Then it takes the displacement. Yes. Okay. Now we move towards the expression. Before the expression, let us consider an object of mass m moving with initial velocity u. By applying force, it displaces at a distance of s. Okay. Consider object of mass m and moving with the initial velocity u. When we use the external force F, then the object takes displacement at a distance s. Then we have the formula W is equal to F into S. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Due to the force, the velocity changes to V and the acceleration produced is a. Means when we apply the external force, then the object changes its position and it displaces at the distance s, and it reaches the final velocity v. When the object is changes initial velocity to final velocity, automatically the object gets the acceleration, that is a. Now we can find the relation between u, s, a and v. U means initial velocity, s means displacement or distance, a means acceleration, and v means final velocity. We have the formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. That is the first equation. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Next, we have again the formula F is equal to ma. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Substitute equation 1 and 2 in the first equation. Means W is equal to Fs. Okay. Instead of F, we can, instead of S, we can substitute that V square minus U square divided by 2A. W is equal to F into V square minus U square divided by 2A. Again, instead of F, we can substitute MA, then W is equal to MA into V square minus U square upon 2A. After 1A is in the numerator and the A is in the denominator. So A get cancelled. Then W is equal to M into V square minus U square upon 2. We know that at the initial velocity, the body is at rest. Therefore, U is equal to 0. Substitute that U is equal to 0 in the formula. Then we get W is equal to work done. That work done is equal to change in the kinetic energy. That is equal to M into V square by 2. Therefore, work done is equal to kinetic energy. That is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. And we get the formula kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here m is mass of the object, v is velocity of the object. Okay, I think you will understood this concept. We will continue in the next session. Okay, thank you.